In this video, we are going to see how we can delete all of our Facebook photos at once. It's pretty quick and simple. So what we do is we click on the top right hand corner on the profile icon, click on that. And from here, you click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, click on that. And we scroll all the way down to the bottom and choose this option where it says activity log, click on it. And in here, you will get this your Facebook activity option. If you expand it, you will see the option to manage your comments and reactions and your post and the activity you were tagged in and so on. So if let's say I want to manage my post, we click on that. From here, we will choose filters and you will choose categories from here at the bottom. And from here, we will choose this second option, which is about your post, photos and videos. So we click on that. And from here, if you let's say want to get rid of all the photos and videos together, you click on this all button, you click on this. Or if you just want to get rid of this individual post of the photos only, you just deselect them all and you select them one by one. So it's up to you how you want to select it. After that, you hit this trash icon at the bottom right here, click on that and click on move to trash. And it will take some time depending on the photos and post you have on your feed or on your profile. So it will take some time, and after that you should be able to get rid of all of them. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.